Put like this.
Mommy, can you help me open the trap?
Oh no, Daddy will help you.
Okay. Then we make the trap. No good, no good.
No good, no good, no Dad.
You want to trap the crack all in the robot.
Look.
Babe, can you read this? Hi guys, thank you so much sa nagbigay kay Sagax. Sobrang mahal niya and super thank you. Babe, are you happy? Look at here. Are you happy?
Yeah.
What's your favorite toy now?
Oh my God, Daddy, buy it for me.
No, Tita Zelda give it to you.
Yeah, but this is mine.
Yeah.
Look, like that. And the rolling will come here.
No, no, play. Play.
Wait, we need to assemble first.
Yeah, let's assemble. And Mom, can you put this? Mom, can you put this?
Wow. Look at that. Wait, I'll show the camera. Babe. Look at this. Look at. Hi guys, meron pa palang ganito. It's so nice. Thank you so much. Is this your favorite?
Yeah.
This is the theme for your first birthday. Oh
Yeah.
my goodness. Thank you so much. This is so pretty. And this one also. Let me. It will broke. May dalawang astronaut. What can you name this? Can you name these astronauts? What do you name these astronauts? What do you name them? Thank you. Can you close the door? Can you close the room of your door? The door of your room. Faster like that. Wow, it's so nice.
So nice, Mom. It's so nice of the track.
You need to follow this one. This guide. This guide.
Pumunta kami sa bahay ng Mars kanina kay kanang
Collect po yan?
hindi man. May pinakita si Mars. I-edit ko naman to. Tapos pagpasok namin, sabi ako ni Sagax, wow, what a nice place.
Ano sabi niyo?
Parang nasanay na si Mars sa ano ni Sagax. Kabuladasan.